In the early 1520s, the Benedictine monks here at the church of San Giovanni Evangelista decided to decorate their dome. And they had heard of a young local artist by the name of Correggio, who had just completed a spectacular project over at the Benedictine nunnery of San Paolo. And so they hired him, but before giving him the contract for the dome, they asked him for a test piece, which is the lunette of St. John the Evangelist above the monastery door. And once they saw it and realized how talented an artist he was, they then gave him the contract for the dome fresco itself. Now, there's some debate as to what the subject of the fresco actually is. Some believe it to represent the ascension of Jesus Christ. Others instead the vision of St. John on the island of Patmos. But what we see is the figure of Jesus hovering there at the center of the dome, and then around the base of it, the various apostles, all represented in states of agitation. But perhaps the most interesting thing is that you can only see the figure of St. John if you're sitting inside of the apse of the church. And so some talk about a kind of privileged perspective for the priests. And why not? Because they were the ones who actually hired Correggio to paint this beautiful dome.